Robert, we're in Scottsdale, Arizona, and we're here to tell the leading attorneys in the nation that practice in the field of eminent domain and property rights about a big event coming up in Scottsdale, Arizona in January. What's that?
Well, it's the 39th annual ALI CLE Eminent Domain and Land Valuation Litigation Conference. Now, earlier this year, we were scheduled to be here in Scottsdale, but of course we couldn't follow through on that and had to go online. So in 2022, roughly 6 months from now, we will all gather here in Scottsdale for the conference. Joe, tell us some of the features.
Well, Robert, this is the 39th anniversary of the first conference, and there's a reason it's survived for almost 40 years, because it brings together the leading practitioners, whether they represent the government or property owners in the field of eminent domain, land valuation litigation, property rights, and the allied professionals, the appraisers, the engineers, jury consultants, those people that help lawyers win in the courtroom. And they'll be here to cover a very broad and wide range of issues, of cases. And what do you say about that?
Well, of course, right? Every year we think, humbly speaking, we put on the best of these conferences. It's 3 days. January 26th, Wednesday, which is I'm going to ask you about that in a moment, Joe, a little early feature for those of you who haven't come before, but Thursday, Friday, and then Saturday, January 26th through the 29th, we'll have 2.5 full days of programming. But what's going on Wednesday, Joe, that we haven't done before?
We've never had a pre-conference reception. So come out Wednesday in time to join your colleagues from around the nation, have a glass of wine or a beer or a cocktail or a seltzer water or whatever you like to drink, and meet your colleagues from around the nation and get ready for Thursday morning's opening session. It is going to be, we believe, the best conference that we've ever had in one of the most beautiful venues. Now, unlike today, it won't be this hot, but it'll be as sunny and beautiful. It won't be 100 and what's it going to be today?
Well, about 105 right now, Joe. We're coming to you. We're doing a little scouting trip. It's late July here in Scottsdale, but trust me, the weather in January will be balmy, 60-degree days, cool nights for sweaters, and we've got a great lineup of events, both professional events for your CLE credits, but also social events, because we know by then it'll have been 2 years since we got together in person, and we're really eager to see each other and welcome all the people who have not come before to this conference.
So for a conference that's going to help you, whether you're just starting in this field or whether you've been practicing in it for 40 years, come to Scottsdale, come to our conference, and Robert, how do we end in the West?
Happy trails.
Happy trails.